In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no audio device installed or no audio device found issue on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Currently, I'm on Windows 11, and if you look at the sound icon in the bottom right corner, you'll see it says no audio device is installed. Clicking on it reveals that the volume slider is unusable and everything is muted due to the audio issue. Let's get straight to the solution. The first solution is to access the Services menu. Simply click on the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on it from the result, and once it opens, scroll down to find the Windows Audio. Now you could press the W key on your keyboard to skip to the W section and double click on it to open its properties. Make sure that the startup type is set to automatic and the status is running. If it's stopped, click on the start, then click apply and then OK. Also, if you have Realtalk audio service, check its status in the R section and make sure it's running as well. After applying these changes, check if the issue has been resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. For the second solution, let's begin by right-clicking on the Windows icon and select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Update in the left-hand menu, then click on Advanced Options. Beneath the additional options, you'll find Optional Updates. Click on it, then select Driver Updates. If you see any updates related to the Realtalk audio, select them and click on Download and Install. It's also recommended to update your entire operating system. Once the updates are installed, restart your computer and check if the issue has been resolved. If not, let's move on to the third solution. For the third solution, let's right-click on the Windows icon again, and this time let's select Device Manager. In the Device Manager, locate Audio Inputs and Outputs at the top, double-click to expand it, and find your speaker, often labeled as Realtalk or with another name. Look for High Definition Audio, right-click on it, and make sure it's not disabled. If it is disabled, you'll have the option to enable device. Next, click on Update Driver, then search automatically for the drivers. If updates are available, process with the updates. Scroll down to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and double-click to expand it. Again, check for High Definition Audio Service. Ensure it's not disabled. Next, click on Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. If updates are available, process with the updates. If you don't see the audio inputs and outputs or sounds, video, gain controllers options, click on the view from the top menu, then select show hidden devices. Now check if they appear now. If not, click on any adapter, then action and scan for hardware changes. Once the scan is complete, check if the adapters appear now. If you still can't find the right audio device, look under System Devices. Double-click to expand it and search for anything related to audio. If it's marked with a yellow exclamation mark or disabled, right-click on it and select Uninstall Device and restart your computer. If you don't find it in the System Devices, look in the Sound, Video, and Game Controller. Once found, right-click and choose Uninstall Device. Now repeat this process for any audio input and output. After uninstalling from all the locations, just restart your computer and the audio devices will automatically reinstall. Check if the issue has been resolved. If not, let's process to the next solution. For the fourth solution, let's close all applications and right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. In the Settings menu, let's click on the System from the left-hand menu, then click on Sound and scroll down to find Additional Sound Settings. A new box will appear. In the Playback section, ensure the correct speaker or audio device is set as the default. Right-click on it and select Set as Default if it's not already. If it's still not set as default, right-click on High Definition Audio and click on Properties. From the top menu, click on Levels and ensure it's set to at least 50 or higher. Next, let's click on the Enhancement from the top menu. You can try checking this box to see if it resolves the issue. Check if the problem has been resolved If not, let's process to the final solution. The final solution will be power flushing your computer, which can often resolve many issues. If you are using a PC, start by shutting down your computer and remove all power cables and external devices such as USB, keyboard, mouse, or any other devices. Once everything is unplugged, press and hold the power button for 25 seconds. After holding it, release the button. For laptop, if you have a removable battery, remove it and disconnect the charging cable along with any external devices. Hold down the power button for 25 seconds. After completing these steps, reconnect all cable devices, then turn on your computer. Now check if the problem has been resolved. I hope these solutions resolves your issue. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching.